Very good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about how to interface an LED array with Arduino controller. First, I am going to select the Arduino controller. So, select Arduino UNO. Next, I am going to select the LED matrix, type matrix. So, there are various types of matrix display is available. So, now I am going to select 5x7 matrix display. So, the 8x8 matrix display is available. Next, there are various types of colors are available: blue, green, orange, red, etc. I am going to select orange color. So there are 5x7. 5 columns are there and 6 rows are there. So it is called as an 5x7 matrix display. Now I am going to connect the LED pins with the Arduino controller. First, I am going to connect the pin number 8 to column sub 1. This is called as column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. Next, 9 I am going to connect as column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. Next, there are 7 rows are there. This is called as row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6, row 7. Row 1, I am going to connect pin number 0. Next, pin number 1 is connected to second row. So there are 7 rows are there. 7 rows means I have connected the pin number 0 to. So there are 2 types of LED connection is there. One is called as a common anode, another one is called as common cathode. So now I am going to select an LED so that I can explain about the common anode and common cathode. This is called as an LED. So this terminal is called as an anode and this terminal is called as cathode. So now in all the columns anode is connected and all the rows cathode is connected. So if you give a low signal in the row and if you give a high signal in the column, the particular LED will be on. So if I want to on this particular LED, so this LED is row 1 and column 1. So row 1 I got to give 0 and column 1 I got to give the high signal. So the particular LED will be on. Or suppose I want to enable all these LEDs. So what you have to do means I have to give a low signal all the this row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5 or otherwise called as column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4 and column 5. All this pin I got to give as 1. Next, I got to give a row. This is the first row. First row, if I give 0, this all the LEDs will be on. This is the concept of LED display. Next, suppose I want to display this LED. So this is comes under column 5, row 1. Column 5, row 1. So what you have to do means, I have to enable the high signal for column 1 and low signal for row. So the particular LED will be on. I am going to write the program. So there are 5 columns and 7 rows are available. So I am going to use some integer column pin 1 is equal to 8. So there are 5 columns are there. So the column pin number 1 is connected to 8. Column 2 is connected to 9. Column 3 is connected to 10. Column 4 is connected to 11. Column 5 is connected to pin number 12. Next, there are 7 rows are available. Row 1, pin number 0 is connected to row 1. So 0 means this is called as an Arduino pin, and this is called as an LED pin. There are 7 rows are there. So sometimes I have to declare the variables. So all are integer type. So row 2 is connected to pin number 1. Pin number 3 is connected to 2. 4 is connected to 3. Pin number 5 is connected to 4. Pin number 6 is connected to 5. Pin number 7 is connected to 6. So 0 to 6, this is the pin number of Arduino controller, and this is the row 1 to row 7 is the pin number of the LED matrix. Next, LED means it is called as an output pin. If you take switch means that is called as an input pin. So you have to initialize that all the columns and rows are output pin. So you know how to write pin mode column pin 1 comma output. So all the 13 pins are there, 5 columns and 7 rows. So pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4, pin number 5. Because 5 cross 7 means there are 5 into 7, 32 LEDs are available. So you can write as row pin number. So the dot matrix are used for various types of displays. In advertisements, you are using this dot matrix display. So in dot matrix display, we can display any values. So row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6, row 7. So now all the LEDs, that is called as 5 columns and 7 rows, all the LEDs are output pin. Next, I am going to display one straight line. So what we have to do means digital right column pin 1 comma high. Like this you have to write for all the pins. So column 1, I'm going to write, I'm going to display one straight line. So column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. So first I'm going to make us high and remaining all are low. Next one is row 1. Next row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. So there are 7 rows are there. 6, 7. So I am making all these rows low. So what will happen means one straight line I will get as an output. So if you want to display A, if you want to display H, if you want to display any other number, you can display. Finally, I'm going to write a delay. You all know about the command delay. 1000. 1000 means that is nothing but 1 millisecond. This is all about the program. First, you are initializing this integer. Next, you are initializing all the pin as output. See here, in column 1, the pin is high, and all the next I am going to verify the program. Verify. First I am going to save the program. I'm going to save the program. I'm going to use as LED array. Verify the program. So int COL pin is wrong. So 2 times I have used that pin, so that is a mistake. So that once again I am changing the pin. So here I have to use row pin because I have initialized as row pin, so I have to use row pin. Can give any value. I have given us for the understanding row pin, column pin. You can use some other variables. So now the program is verified. Double click the Arduino controller. Select program file. I have stored the X file in the desktop. That is LED array. Just run the program. So we can see the color. This is called as column 1, and all the rows LED is on. So like this, if you want to enable all the LEDs, we have to write the program and you have to change the program. Now I will show one output, how to display H. So already I have written the program. So we can see here, we can display the H. Due to the color, we are not able to